Be sure to get a free stock with Robinhood by using the link in the description. Hello everybody, it is the Naughty Investor here coming at you with another video. So in a recent interview / television show, the crypto king has emphasized that cryptocurrency is a long game and that you should not get discouraged by the recent drops. Bart Smith, digital asset head at US-based global trading and technology firm, has said he is still a long-term Bitcoin believer amidst the market crash during an episode of CNBC's Fast Money on November 20th. Speaking just as the price of Bitcoin had plummeted to its lowest levels since October of 2017, Smith, who is also known by the moniker of Crypto King, emphasized that this was a long game and that every great idea is volatile. He noted that while figures from the world of mainstream equity strategy might have taken to treating Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies as an asset class, this is not what it was originally intended for. Analyzing the recent market tumble, Smith suggested that the crypto space still lacks the capital to absorb abrupt sell-offs, such as the one recently sparked by the contentious Bitcoin Cash hard fork last week. He noted, quote, "The on-ramps for new capital is very difficult. If you're a global institution, it's still very difficult for you to buy Bitcoin in the way you'd like. For example, at Fidelity or Bank of America." Now, right here, you actually made a really good point, because a lot of people get confused and they're like, well, Naughty, it's not really that difficult to buy cryptocurrency. And I agree. However, you have to remember, when you're talking about high net worth individuals, they need custodianship. They're not going to send their ID to Coinbase or some foreign company and then get approved. They don't want things to go that way. They want to buy cryptocurrency on respected outlets such as Fidelity, TD America, things like that. That's where they want to buy cryptocurrency. So it's not a matter of it's difficult to get into crypto. It's not difficult, but people who want to put in a lot of money want to they want to have a safer way of doing it than just using an app. So that's my point there. That was his point as well. Without new capital on ramp, he continued to argue the resilient, low liquidity, low volumes, and low volatility, just as the crypto space saw at the end of this October, creates an environment that is not resilient enough to absorb temporary shaken confidence or shifts in investor sentiment. Smith noted that the Bitcoin creator Satoshi Nakamoto designed the supply of his non-sovereign, decentralized peer-to-peer currency to finish only in the year 2140, and this is the appropriate time and long-term vision and scope of Bitcoin as an invention. This week, Wall Street crypto bull Tom Lee has similarly emphasized the crucial role of institutional participation in the industry, highlighting the forthcoming launch of the digital asset platform backed by New York Stock Exchange operator ICE as a watershed moment. Fidelity, which administers over $7.2 trillion in assets, has also announced the launch of its own cryptocurrency business that will provide a secure, compliant, and institutional-grade storage solution for Bitcoin, Ether, and other digital assets. I could not agree more with him. I think Bart Smith is one of the underrated people in this industry because he's not really brought on television as much as others, but I couldn't agree more. You have to keep your eyes on the long-term vision. You have to remember, even the stock market, when the stock market goes through recessions and bear markets, it could last years, okay? Cryptocurrency has only been in a bear market for a year, and that is on a huge gain from the previous year. So we have to keep that in consideration and remember that this could go on a bit longer, but when it does subside and we finally hit rock bottom, we're going to have a lot of room to grow back to and exceed our previous all-time highs. So that's my thoughts there. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you leave a like, subscribe, share it. Also, be sure to get a free stock with Robinhood. Link in the description. Get yourself a free stock. No reason not to. Just click that link and sign up with Robinhood, and I'll catch you next time. Have a great day.